Right, so the deep cleaning. Take your glade and put it into the warm soapy water. Give it a quick wipe. Now the glade doesn't have to come spotless, but it is really nice way to make sure the bottom side is oil free. While you're waiting for the glade to get dried, let's clean the burner tube. Get your brush, give it a nice rub. Back and forth. By doing this, you can make sure the fire comes evenly. Brushing is done. Take your spatula. Give it a nice cleaning on the body bit. Remove all the food residue, fat and oil that is left over in the body. Remove the drip pan and change to a new one. Put it back. And there you go. That's a deep cleaning. After changing the drip pan, take a dried grate and put it back. And that's it. We'd recommend you to have a deep cleaning once in 4 or 5 times of use. Now that's being used because any kind of fat or food residue could potentially catch a fire. But to prevent all those kind of stuff to happen, we really do recommend you to do the deep cleaning.